time coming, but I'm back in the race again. It might not look pretty, but I got this in the bag. I'll take the keys to the city, and I'm never gonna give them back. I was made for this. I was made for this. I was made for this. Outside the view is amazing. Jackpot, smile for the taking. Can't stop the moves that I'm making. La 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 la. Turns gold. I was made for this. I was made for this. I was made for this. Outside the view is amazing. Jackpot is mine for the taking. Can't stop the moves that I'm making. La 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 la.
Hey SkullRush family, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Hit that like button and leave us a comment down below. Also, hit the subscribe button. That way you'll know exactly when the new videos drop. You can watch them right away. Also, if you're not following us on Instagram, scoot on over there, and it's at SkullRush_official. And you can also check us out on Facebook at SkullRush USA. Thank you so much, and thanks for being a part of the SkullRush tribe.